Hi Capricorn, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the month of May. Please keep in mind these are general readings and might not resonate with each one of you. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Alright. So Capricorn, changes first week, second week, third week, fourth week. So this month looks, what you don't see is an offer coming which you don't want to accept. Changes in the first week, but you are in no nonsense mood this month, and towards the end of month you might end up locking horns with a lot of people. Let me clarify the Wheel of Fortune for you. Yes, so changes will come after you leave a situation. There's a lot of clarity coming towards you. Temperance, Justice, your card coming. Usually I take 3 cards, but then 4 cards came in, and all these are major arcana cards. So all these are good cards. So Wheel of Fortune followed by clarified by Temperance. There's a need for balance, there's a need for justice, and it'll only happen after you leave a situation, or something needs to go for this clarity, something which isn't serving you well. And in your workspace, I don't think you are currently very happy. You feel you're overworked. Let me clarify this second week. Yes, so again, second week you're cutting off the bullshit. You're looking at other offers, you're looking at other opportunities around you. You have a lot of opportunities, and you have abundance. At the end of the corner, you have everything that you need, whether it's love, whether it's money. But right now you are wanting to look at other options in terms of work also, because you don't feel it's serving you well. Let me clarify the third week. Again, your intuition is asking you to take the other offers or look at the other offers, but you are in this mode where you really want to think about it. You really want to take your time, which I feel you're doing the right thing. You don't need to hurry, you don't need to jump the gun, but this is what it's looking like. That's why you don't want any bullshit, because you want your time to think. You want your own space right now, your own, want to go into a cave and think about what you really need from life, or probably this job or a relationship which is right now not somewhere it's taking out your peace of mind. Somewhere you're not enjoying it anymore. There's a sense of frustration, there's a sense of lack of satisfaction which you experience currently, and things will definitely start moving once you go inside and see what you really want. Follow your intuition, but there's an offer in store for you. Sun, Temperance, Justice. So it's all up to you. You will definitely get an offer this month. Let me clarify this end of the month. So again, where you feel stuck, you need to really go. There will be an offer from a younger person who is very passionate about you in terms of love. But in terms of work, you will really certainly need to cut out the bullshit, draw the lines, really take your stand. And even if you want to continue here, I think you really need to draw a line, and you really need to cut the bullshit off, cut the crap off, and be in that no nonsense zone to achieve that peace which is lacking currently. Let me clarify this. Yes, so Tower, Moment, and Death is here. So again, you need strength to overcome this. This Tower moment is inevitable. There's something which will crumble this month, and you will be in a better place after this happens. And this will take all your strength, because it won't be easy. Definitely, it won't be easy. But I think things will be better after this happens, and this is inevitable. So let it happen. You have the strength, and you're not happy, so this is bound to happen here. Let me clarify this, how you can handle the situation. What are things that you can do, what are things that you need not do or should not do. So be grounded. Don't jumble up the thoughts. Be grounded, and just surrender to the universe. Universe is asking you to surrender. Instead of wanting to control everything, wanting to control the end result, you should just leave it to the universe, to the Lord, because the more you let go, and the more things will happen as at their own pace. I think the more we control, it only gives us more stress rather than a solution. So it's better to leave everything to the universe. But again, things will definitely start moving. Decision you'll have to take. If you don't know what to do, follow your gut, follow your intuition, and Lord is asking you to don't control too much. Be grounded. Be very clear in your thoughts, whether you want it or no. Don't be sitting on the fence too long. That's your message for this month. If you like what I do, to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.